Everyone thinks the best-selling exercise bike is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 exercise bikes for home that might just change your workout routine. Product number 1: Marach Exercise Bike. The Marach Exercise Bike caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive features, all for $269.99. This bike is a bestseller for a reason. If you want a quiet, stable bike with integrated fitness tracking, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Marach bike has a whisper-quiet magnetic resistance system operating under 25 dB. This means you can cycle at any hour without disturbing anyone, perfect for those late-night workouts. Plus, it supports up to 300 pounds, making it a solid choice for various body types. The self-developed app syncs with Google Fit and Apple Health, so you can track your progress in real time, which 456 reviews have rated at 4.5 stars. Now, some people complained about the assembly taking longer than expected. Here's the thing though, that's pretty common with home exercise equipment. If you're someone who doesn't mind dedicating a bit of time to setup, you'll be rewarded with a bike that meets your fitness needs well. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, feature-rich bike that can grow with your fitness goals. Skip this one if you're looking for a very compact bike, as it does take up a bit of space. For the price, it offers great value with its advanced features. Product number 2: Plenny Folding Exercise Bike. Next up is the Plenny Folding Exercise Bike, priced at just $113.99. You'd think something so affordable might skimp on features, but this bike offers a solid 5-in-1 functionality. If you want a space-saving solution that doesn't sacrifice quality, this one's worth considering. It also comes with resistance bands, allowing you to incorporate upper body workouts alongside your cycling. With a sturdy construction supporting up to 330 pounds, you can feel confident using it for various fitness levels. Plus, the 1,100 reviews give it a solid 4.5-star rating. However, some users found the seat less comfortable compared to pricier models. But here's the thing, you can easily add a cushion or swap it out if needed. It's a minor trade-off for such an affordable bike with versatile features. This bike is great for anyone needing a compact, multifunctional exercise option at home. Skip it if you're looking for a heavy-duty bike meant for intense cycling, as this is better suited for casual to moderate workouts. Product number 3: Pubu Exercise Bike. Coming in at $169.99, the Pubu Exercise Bike offers impressive features like 100 adjustable resistance levels. If you're serious about your cycling workouts, this bike is definitely worth a serious look. What's great about this bike is its ultra-quiet belt drive system, which means you can pedal away without disturbing anyone in your home. This means you'll enjoy a stable ride, even during intense workouts. With 9,100 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its performance and reliability. Now, a few customers mentioned that the setup was slightly more complicated than they expected. That said, it's not a deal-breaker since most bikes require some assembly. If you're willing to take a little time for setup, you'll have a solid bike that meets your fitness needs. This bike is perfect for those who want a balance of performance and quiet operation. Skip it if you need something that's ready to go right out of the box without any assembly, as this one might require a bit more effort. Product number 4: MERACH Recumbent Exercise Bike. Next, we have the MERACH Recumbent Exercise Bike at $179.99, which is ideal for those who prefer a comfortable, supportive ride. If you want a bike that prioritizes comfort while providing an excellent cardio workout, this one's a strong contender. It features a wide, cushioned seat that supports joint-friendly workouts, making it suitable for seniors or anyone recovering from injuries. The user-friendly MERACH app syncs with your workout data, offering insight into your progress. It's well-reviewed with a 4.5-star rating from 2,200 users. However, some users found it a bit bulky and not easily movable. This bike is perfect for those who want a recumbent option for low-impact workouts. Skip it if you're looking for a compact, foldable design, as this one is built for stability and comfort. Product number 5, Pubu Folding Exercise Bike. Finally, we have the Pubu Folding Exercise Bike at $115.99. This bike's versatility is impressive, offering a 4-in-1 design for various workout types. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, multifunctional bike, this could be your best option. The semi-recumbent posture means you can switch between high-intensity and low-impact workouts easily, accommodating different fitness needs. Plus, with over 6,700 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, users are clearly satisfied with its performance. On the downside, some reviews mention that the bike wobbles slightly during intense rides. However, if you're using it for moderate workouts, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. The stability is generally good for most users. This bike is perfect for anyone wanting a budget-friendly solution with great functionality. Skip this one if you're a serious cyclist looking for a heavy-duty setup, as it's more suited for casual use. To wrap it up, we've covered some fantastic options: the Marach for quiet workouts, the Pleny for budget-friendly flexibility, the Pubu for performance, the Merach recumbent for comfort, and the Pubu folding bike for versatility. Each has its strengths, so consider what matters most to you. Happy cycling!